Removing phantom external links in Excel. I have an Excel spreadsheet with an external link in that I can't get rid of. I have read up on the internet quite a lot, and Microsoft recommend the following. For references in cells, using search and replace for asterisk to find all references in worksheet cells. For references in names, opening up the name manager and making sure there are no external references there. For references in objects, this is really painful. Select each object individually and look in the formula bar. For references in charts, also painful. Check the formula bar, the title and data series for every chart. This still leaves me with a phantom external reference that I can't find, so I try some more things. The Data Edit Links feature in Excel, followed by clicking on Break Link, nothing happens. Used a Find Link plugin, didn't work for me, but was friendly to use. Used Microsoft's Delete Links plugin, also didn't work and isn't friendly to use.
In the end, I tracked this down to the conditional formatting rules. Clicking on Home, Conditional Formatting, Manage Rules brings up the following dialog, which is relatively easy to look through and replace the external references. For anyone else that spent hours combing their file, the problem can also exist if you've copied a data validation range over from another workbook. To fix it, ribbon, File, Check for Issues, Check Compatibility. This will bring up the checker that will tell you if validation points to an external sheet. Most importantly, it will tell you which sheet it is on. Anyway, once you know the sheets, go to the sheet. Now. Ribbon, Home, down arrow next to Find and select Data Validation. This will select the cells that have data validation applied. Now. Ribbon, Data Validation. And fix the broken reference in the source field, or click Clear All if you don't need it.
If the workbook is large, is not easy, find the format condition with external reference. I write this VARBA function for find it. Limited to 80 columns and 500 row for reduce execution time. When function stop, you can check the position asking.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.